Trucking crashes are much more complex than vehicles because regardless of what the truck crashes with, whether it's a pedestrian, a car, a motorcycle, it doesn't make any difference. The regulations are complex, complicated, and you really need a trucking lawyer to make sure that you navigate through that. If anyone's involved in a trucking crash, the first thing that one should do is make sure that you're being taken care of. More than anything, we want to make sure people are getting the medical care that they need immediately. The second thing is we need to make sure that the vehicle is preserved because the trucking company most certainly will send somebody out to the site. They'll have their own person inspecting whatever happened immediately, and we need to make sure that we're armed to both be able to protect what happened to your vehicle and the data inside of your vehicle, as well as to be able to respond to what information they have and make sure that all of that is preserved in a timely fashion.
I was traveling on the turnpike for work in a semi, and I had a guy lose control of his truck, ran into me, burnt my truck up, and just destroyed the road. It was pretty bad. I'm lucky to be alive.
Contacting a lawyer as soon as you've been in a truck crash is critical to making sure that we have the best opportunity possible to level the playing field. Trucking companies have all of this insurance backing behind them and all of these resources where they send out accident reconstructionists and people to tell a truck driver how to respond to law enforcement that's outside of whatever the company wants them to say. So having a lawyer involved early is critical to protecting your rights as equally as they're protecting their own.
I trusted them. They were very intelligent. And when I asked a question, they didn't belittle me like I didn't know what I was talking about. They explained everything to me. I was just confident to have them.
We have been working in the legal field close to 100 years. We've watched the evolution of trucking crashes happen from before the time that there were federal motor carrier safety regulations. You can't get better experience than what we have.
This took highly intelligent people to get us through this and to get us what we needed, and thank God for them. They got us through it.
It's awful to think of a family going through tragedies, but as life gets more hectic, more people need lawyers. And because of our generational experience, we have generations of families that we've represented and neighbors and relationships that we've developed over the nearly century that we've been doing this type of work. When a client calls Murray & Murray or walks into the office, we want them to know that we are looking out for them and their best interests from the time they meet us to the time that we can settle the case for them. We want to be able to help them become whole physically and emotionally so that way they have the kind of life moving forward that they deserve. Murray & Murray helping individuals who've been injured throughout the state of Ohio for nearly 100 years.